Hello, hello, everybody. Fabulous fifth graders. I'm so happy you made it to testing this morning. Thank you for getting up and getting ready and being there. You guys are wonderful. I just wanted to give you a few reminders before you get going on your language arts test today. Just a few things to keep you right where you should be and to do your very best. So, first of all, number one, I want you to set up and use your screen reader. It's the very first thing that you'll see there. When you log in, it'll have you set it up, make sure you can hear it, make sure it's loud enough, make sure you do that. Okay, for the reading section, this language arts one, it will not read you the passages. Okay, so don't be upset when that happens. It's measuring your reading. It will read you the questions and the different answers. Okay, so use it, especially if you have a hard time with your reading and you need some help with that. Use that screen reader. If you have problems setting it up, ask a teacher. Raise your hand and I promise they will help you. Number two, before you do anything else, I want you to read the question first. Even if there's a big long passage, read that question. It's going to give you an idea of what to look for while you're reading, which is really important. Helps you know what to focus on. Number three, remember to use your brain breaks. I know a lot of you guys are really active and like to be moving, and it gets hard sometimes with your brain to focus, and these are long tests. So first of all, you can take breaks as often as you need it, which is great. So make sure you can get up and walk around if you need it. Just raise your hand and you'll be able to do that. Another thing, like we have learned in our class over the past few weeks, is there are tons of brain breaks you can do quietly in your desk. So just a reminder of some of the things you can do that we have done. You could play the piano on your desk right there on your table. Play the piano with your fingers. Remember we did a gator hunt a little while ago. We've done that before. You could do a silent one. Remember, go through the bushes, go through the trees. Remember, you're swimming. Just do it nice and quietly. You can run right there in your desk. No one will know if you're doing it nice and quiet. So don't. You could do a silent gator hunt. You could get that bubble gum out. Remember how we did that? And pop. Just remember to keep it nice and quiet, and you're just fine. You can do stretch each different parts of your body. So start with your feet, stretch. We did the itchy game one time. Pretend you're getting those itches out of each part of your body. Move up your body, do each different part. Stretching out is awesome. That's a really good way. You can run really quick in your desk, nice and silently. You can also, if you remember how we practiced during, and this is a great way to link your brain up for this test, practice turning your hand one way and your foot the other way. See if you can get that down. If you can get that down, it's really hard for me. I can't do it. If you can get that down, that is a great way to link the different sides of your brain and help get you ready to go. Also, it's just a great way to take a break and to do a little pause right there. So remember some of those. Use those brain breaks. Anything you can do to get a little movement helps your brain wake up and helps you to do better. So no matter how you do on this test today, just remember you guys are amazing. I have seen so much growth from you this year in your reading, and it's so much fun to see. I have loved being your teacher, and I am just so proud of you. No matter what happens, no matter how you do, I am very proud of you. Just do your very best, and good luck.